Ever wondered how beavers manage to reshape entire landscapes with just a few sticks and mud? Welcome to the fascinating world of beaver engineering, where these industrious creatures craft their own watery kingdoms. These little architects use logs, branches, and mud with incredible precision to create dams that transform landscapes. But did you know that beaver dams do more than just alter water flow? They create vibrant ecosystems, offering habitats for countless species. As water collects and slows, it creates ponds, helping to prevent soil erosion and even purify the water. Incredibly, these natural constructions can sometimes be detected from space. A single family of beavers can build a dam, stretching over 800 meters in length, showcasing the sheer scale of their earth-shaping capabilities. Truly, beavers aren't just busy, they're nature's engineers, working tirelessly to benefit both themselves and the environment around them. What do you think of these natural architects? Let us know your thoughts.